You are bubbling in CO2, you have bubbles of CO2 being flown into your swirling reactor, and what happens is those bubbles are going to rise up to the top and dissipate, but as they're rising through the liquid, mass transfer occurs where your CO2 is being absorbed by your liquid away from the bubble. And what we're doing in this lab is basically we're measuring how fast and how much that CO2 from the bubbles is being transferred into that liquid before it goes all the way up to the top.
So your inlet, the tubes right over there on the left hand side that are going into the top, those are what?
It's a 0.01 mole per kilograms of NaOH. So when you flow in, when you have that mixture,
NaOH and water.
NaOH and water, your CO2 reacts with your NaOH to form bicarbonate, and that causes a change in your pH. So we're basically comparing your mass transfer rate versus your reaction rate.
Okay.
Because we're going to be looking at the liquid that flows out of the bottom has a different pH, which is being measured at the same time, and we're looking at the pH, like basically that pH versus your dissolved CO2 that is flowing out that doesn't get completely absorbed by your liquid.
Okay. And okay, great. I think that's all that I need.